Windows 11 versus Windows 10. Should you upgrade? That's a very, very interesting question. So a lot of us must have that same question, should I upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11? And up to now, a lot of people still haven't decided. Well, I'm not here to convince you to do that. I'm just here to show you some of the things that you need to know. Maybe not exactly need to know, but the features that Windows 11 offers. I just installed this OS this morning and I got more than I expected. I listened to a lot of information about things not being good as they used to be with Windows 11, and I was so hesitant to install it. Now that I did it, I'm so glad. But if you're still hesitant, there's really no reason why you should upgrade to Windows 11 right away. As long as you're on Windows 10, you'll have access to many of Windows 11's key features, as well as some updates and security patches. Another reason why I'm making this video was before I finally decide to update, I was trying to see exactly what Windows 11 has to offer. Checking on YouTube, on the internet, there was not much visual information about what it looks like, what you can or what you cannot do, or how you can do it. But I just installed it. I haven't installed any other thing, maybe one or two programs. So my computer is basically like from scratch. So bear with me and we're gonna see all this together. One of the major differences between Windows 11 and Windows 10 is the Start menu and just the overall design of the taskbar. Once you're logged in, you're going to land on your desktop. This is where you can start exploring your PC, open various files and folder, launch apps, etc. Windows 11 has this new Start that's based in the center of the taskbar. In Windows 10, we used to have it on the bottom left, but right now we have it centered. If you click on the Start menu, you will see all the apps that are installed on your PC. The apps, the games, you can click on any app you want to open and you can start using it. You can also pin your most frequently used apps to the Start menu. If I want to remove some of this that came pre-installed, I just come here, right click, and I have the option for unpin from Start. You're going to find every app that you use here that you want. You can place them here. You can also go to all apps and look for a specific app. So I come here, you right click on your mouse and pin to Start. If we come back here, you can see it's right here. Right below here, we've got recommended apps also. If you want to see them, you just press more and you can see all your recommended apps. Talking about the taskbar, first thing we notice is that all the icons which were previously placed on the extreme left are now in the center of the taskbar. However, these settings can be changed and you can add a few icons on the left side of your taskbar. But before we do that, or before I show you how to do that, you can see right here we've got the Start button. We can remove the search button. We can remove it if we want to. We also have option to set different desktops. You can also remove them. We have the Microsoft Edge, the File Explorer here, Microsoft Store, the Mail, and well, you can pin the rest. And you can also notice that on the far left, we have the weather widget now. We also have other stories, news, and all that. We can find all that here. Now, if you don't like the new settings, the location, to access directly, you just go Windows I and settings will pop up. So if you come to settings, you go to personalization and then you look for the taskbar. You click on it and you have all those options. You can either show or hide buttons that appear on the taskbar. For example, the task view, you just click on this and it goes off. If I want it back on, you click on it and it comes back on. If I don't want the widget, press that. If I want it, it comes back on. Chat, if I don't want to chat, the same thing you can do all over again. So where are we exactly going? We're going to go to taskbar behavior. So in taskbar behavior, you see all the show badges automatically hide the taskbar if you want to. You can share any window from my taskbar here. you can click on this and locate everything to the far left. That is if you want. If you're so accustomed to Windows 10 and you want it right there, you can just leave it right there. If you don't, you just go back to center. You can keep the icons in the center or move them to the extreme left. And far right here, you still have the show desktop button. You just come here and you place it and you're going to come back to your desktop button.